Hi guys, welcome back to Berylawesfashion YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this ruffle sleeve. It is very simple to make, and I'm going to show you two methods of making this sleeve. So whichever one you prefer, kindly go ahead and make use of it. So before we start, if you are here to subscribe, please click on the red button now, and don't forget to put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload new video, you will be notified. So let's get started. So if you notice, there are two ruffles in that sleeve. So we are going to decide the width of the ruffle. So what I want to do is I want mine to be 2 inches each. That means altogether we'll have 4. 2 inches at the back and 2 inches at the front. 2 inches. And we are going to connect the lines this way. So once you have your basic sleeve, you are good to go. You can make any type of sleeves that you want. So in case you do not know how to make basic sleeve pattern, I'm going to put the link in the description box. So what we are going to do now is to cut out the line this way. Okay, so we need to measure the width of the ruffle this way, the length rather, sorry. I'm having 23.25 here, and here is 23.6. So let's separate it so that you can know what we are doing. This is for the front, the back, and this is for the front. So like I said, I'll be showing you two methods of doing it. The first method that we'll make use of is our full circle. This one is 23.6, 26.75, yes, 23.75, 23.75. So we'll use the formula for our full circle pattern, which is 6.28. Okay, we'll divide it by 23.75 divide by 6.28. Okay, I have 3.78. So we are going to determine how wide we want our ruffle to be. Let's say 2 inches, or let's say 3 inches. So altogether we'll be having 6.78. The width of your ruffle totally depends on you. So that's what we have gotten. So I'm going to fold my paper into 4. Either your paper or your fabric. Let me check if I have up to 6.7. Okay, this is enough. I can reduce. Then you fold again. I already have tutorial on how to make circular pattern, so you can watch it in case you do not know how to do it. So we come to the edge here, this way, and measure 3.78, sorry, this way. And measure around. Measure around this way. And the width of our sleeve, the ruffle, we said we want it to be 3 inches. Okay, my paper is not enough, so let it be 2.5. 2.5 is not 3 inches because my paper is not sufficient. So you mark all the way down this way. That will give us 6.3. 6.3. Then you take it from up so that it can be accurate. 6.3 this way. Take it around. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is to cut it out. And we cut one side open this way. So this is what we have. We pin it this way. We pin it this way. Once you do that, you stitch it down this way, then you place this on top like this. You stitch it with it. By the time you finish sewing, you do it this way. So that means where you are done with one side. What I've added here, I've actually added something. If you look at the one in the picture, there is no seam at the center. I've created my own seam. So if you don't want yours to be like that, what you just need to do is you will not cut here open. So once you mark here, from here to here, the length, divide it by 6.28, and you get this, the ruffle that we are cutting here. And this other one as well, you measure it. Here we have 23.25. So for the other side, you'll be using 23.25 divided by 6.28. Divided by 6.28. Okay, here I'm having 3.7, and here the width of this, the ruffle that we use is 2.5. So you use that same 2.5 plus 2.5, which gives me 6.2. So you do the same thing, the same way we did it. Fold your paper into 2 this way, then into 4, and do the same thing as we have done here. So you have it here and you stitch it. By the time you stitch it, that gives you the ruffle sleeve. That is one method of achieving the sleeve. So the second method of achieving the sleeve is through slash and spread. Yes, the length that we got here is 23.75. So you come to the paper and mark 23.75. So you mark it this way. 23.75 is here, and the width of the ruffle we use is 2.5. You mark 2.5 here. That way. So you cut it out this way and we'll slash it this way. You can actually measure it. So sorry, I'm not supposed to cut through. Let me see if I can secure it with masking tape. With slash, you are not supposed to cut through. This one is a mistake, please. Okay, so once you slash it like that, you are going to spread it on another paper this way. This way. You spread it open and you measure around just to confirm that you have your 23.75 before you cut it out. It's 3.75. Okay, you have more, so you close it a bit. Because of the way, because I had cut this one through, it's not really giving me what I want. But be careful when you are doing yours. So this is what we just do. You trace it so it is more. I will trim it off if it's more now, since we can't really get it well. Because you are supposed to share it evenly, but as it is now, it's not, because I mistakenly cut this through. So sorry. So if it's more, like I said, you trim it. Okay, you have it this way. And now lift up this. If you don't like this shape, you can do something like this. Whatever shape you want, you can actually do it this way. Please share this video with your friends. Don't learn alone. There is love in sharing. You come here, do the same thing we have done here. You place it this way. This is what is giving us. So let me just pin it so that you see what I'm talking about. You can see that it's giving us that effect, that ruffle effect. Actually, I'm not having enough pins here. This way. Do the same thing here. Try it out and let me know what you feel about this tutorial. The sleeve is actually easy to make. Once you follow the two methods that I just demonstrated, you are good to go. So you stitch this one here and this way. Something like this. Do the same here. And it will be like this. That gives us the sleeve. Our ruffle sleeve is ready. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.